still have to give thanks on our journey, eh? Now this one, I love to share this one with you, because there's been a lot of things going on in my life, and this is the way I would really love to share it. This is the way I can express it. You know what I mean? Give thanks to everyone that's on the line for virtual live concert. Scene, Hearts of Love. Yeah, yeah. I have words that can't be spoken. I got things that I've been holding on to, emotions that are overwhelming. Feels like I am deeply sunken while we're living in this world of sin, with people trying to live for a reason. It's so funny, by a blink of an eye, you'll never know when it's goodbye. Each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray, me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Yeah, each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray, me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. My heart been a weep. Life is a cycle, it's hard in the streets. Still I forget up and try and walk left the peace. Follow that bread and then your meds get defeated. Me no know what to believe, and everybody wish the best for your dreams. Motivate myself, I'm in do it by any means. Wisdom come with age and the mantra for me. So many tears on my eyes, scraping to find all the answers to life. I'm a little brother me think about every night, cause me not sure if him really alright. And that made me forced to believe if the system have him or him even living. Me not sure, cause about 10 years since me see him. These things add into the pain when me feel, cause each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Yeah, each and every day, yeah, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. Jaja, hear my prayer. Keep my passion blazing up, make that simmer. Keep my loved ones close, they deserve their flowers. Come to realize that what I got power stronger than the towers. Life is a strange thing, plus it is amazing. Have to replace all the sadness with great things. Despite of the phases that life had me facing, I have to practice the things I've been saying. Hey, we all destined for greatness. The past have me shaping my future for rare things like realness that easily underestimated, and principles were taught from when I was a baby. The older I get, it's the more I be pressing myself to do better. Sometimes I feel stagnant as hell. Lord, hear my voice, I still feel like a mess. Hope you hear me trying to manifest, cause each and every day, man, I forget to pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day, cause each and every day, yeah, man, I forget to pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. Each and every day, man, I forget to pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Yeah, each and every day, yeah, man, I forget to pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. I have words that can't be spoken. I got things that I've been holding on to, emotions that are overwhelming. Feels like I am deeply sunken while we're living in this world of sin, with people trying to live for a reason. It's so funny, by a blink of an eye, you'll never know when it's goodbye. Each and every day, when I forget to pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Hey, hey, each and every day, when I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party.